Mastering contractions in connected speech, a key to fluent English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an essential aspect of English language learning, using contractions in connected speech. This is crucial for both understanding native speakers and sounding more natural when you speak English. Contractions, such as I'm, your, we've, and others, are commonly used in everyday conversation and are an important part of achieving natural and fluent English speech. So, let's get started. Contractions are a way of shortening words by combining them. In spoken English, they make your speech sound smoother and more natural. For instance, instead of saying, I am happy, we often say, I'm happy. Instead of, you are late, we typically say, you're late. These are just a few examples, but contractions abound in the English language. Let's first recap some common contractions and their corresponding full forms. I'm equals I am. You're equals you are. We've equals we have. They'd equals they would. Isn't equals is not. Don't equals do not. She'll equals she will. He'd have equals he would have. Practice saying these contractions out loud. Notice how they flow smoothly and help speed up your speech. Using contractions is especially important when it comes to connected speech. Connected speech is a continuous sequence of sounds forming utterances or conversations in spoken language. It's how we naturally speak without pausing between each word. Contractions play a big role in this. Let's take a look at some examples. Without contractions, I am not sure if they are going to the party. With contractions, I'm not sure if they're going to the party. The version with contractions sounds more fluid and natural, doesn't it? That's the power of contractions in connected speech. The key to getting comfortable with contractions in connected speech is practice. Start by writing down a few sentences. Then rewrite them using contractions. Finally, practice saying both versions out loud, noticing the difference in rhythm and flow. For example, original, she will call us when she has arrived. With contractions, she'll call us when she's arrived. This exercise will help you become more comfortable with using contractions, leading to more natural and fluid English speech. That's it for today's lesson on using contractions in connected speech. Remember, contractions are your friends. They help your speech sound more natural and fluent. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become. I hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, and I'm sure you'll master the use of contractions in no time. Until next time, happy learning!